What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 21 Scatty Daddy. Today we're going to be adding our own custom touch to the wheels. Alright, so just a quick overview. I had purchased the SpeedLogix 1/4-inch wheel spacers for the front and the back. So I just wanted it to be a little bit more flush. You can see it's a little sunken in compared to the fender flares, and being it is a wide body, I like to take advantage of those fender flares and have them actually sticking out, I feel, where they should be. So we're going to add the 1/4-inch SpeedLogix wheel spacer to the front and back. I also picked up some black lug nuts to get rid of these, as well as some Sinamon Stick spray paint, which we're going to paint the hash marks here on that as well, just to overall customize the wheels a little bit and give them a little bit more of a custom appearance. So without further ado, let's get these wheels off, slide the spacers on, and get to painting. All right, guys, so the wheels are all back on now. We have our 1/4-inch spacers. We gave the wheels a good cleaning. We cleaned the inside of the barrel. We have our black lug nuts and our new tie valve caps. As you can see, the center caps are missing. So now we're gonna take them inside. We're gonna tape them all up, scuff them up, and we're gonna paint them. So this is where we're at right now. You can see fills in the fender just a little bit more. Gives it just a little more poke and making it a little bit more flush now, pretty much. You can make it out with the fender flare. So overall, not a bad little upgrade for the cost. So now let's get those center caps painted up, and I'll show you how I'm gonna go about that process. All right, guys, so next step is we're gonna mask up these center caps so we can get them painted. So I went on Amazon and I picked up this 1mm width masking tape here, which will be able to fit in between here to get nice, clean, and sharp lines. So we're gonna use some of the standard to get the bulk area. We'll use some of this 1mm to get in between the hash marks, get them all taped up. We got a couple different sandpapers and a scuff pad. Scuff this up, clean it, and then we're gonna prime it and paint it with the Sinamon Stick paint. All right, guys, and the center caps are all finished up. I did 3 coats of primer, 3 coats of the base coat Sinamon Stick, and 3 coats of the clear coat. I used everything from automotivetouchup.com. They have great products, and their paints usually match your factory color pretty well. So as you can see here, they came out really, really nice. That little 1mm masking tape is definitely clutch, and recommend getting that for sure. So you can see they all came out really nice, and we're just gonna give it another hour or so to fully dry and cure, and then we're gonna go pop them into the wheels.
I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted. steps still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it